Hello everyone, point command in Autocad. So this point command will be used as a marker or a reference purpose. The shortcut command for point is PO. This is for a single point. So PO, single point. So if we need multiple points, go to Home tab, in ribbon, draw, choose multiple points. That's it. I need to change all the style of the point and also size of the point. So point style shortcut command is Ptype. Here I can choose the available point style. I'm choosing this one and also changing the point size. Point size is 30. Okay. So all point will be changed. I want to enlarge this point. So I can give Pdsize, Pdsize. Okay. Here I am giving the value 75. See, next one is Pdmode, Pdmode. So here I am assigning the value for Pdmode is 0. So dot. Again Pdmode, here I am assigning the value is 4. So vertical line. See, this is the Pdmode values. 0 for a dot. 1. If I change the Pdmode value is 1, all point will be hide. Again Pdmode, I'm giving the values 3. Okay, see this. Okay, next one, I'm drawing the line of 1000 mm length. Okay, I want to divide this line as a 5 segments. So the option is divide. So shortcut command for divide is div. Divide, select object to divide. Selecting this, I want 5 segments. We will check this. Okay. So I want to divide the particular measurement. So copy this line and I am giving measure option ME. So selecting this object, I want to divide as a 300 300. Okay, divide. Again see this, choosing this line. Again I want to divide, this line is a 300 mm. Okay, giving the measure option, selecting, see my cursor, I'm choosing from here. Okay, giving the values 300. See the difference? Thank you.